YouTube? Diesel Dan Peters here. So I don't have much time because I didn't realize I have not cleared the SD card out on my GoPro, but we've been grinding away and I kind of honestly just forgot to record. So I'll show you all what I'm dealing with right now. So a lot of the particle board that was used behind the garage rotted away. So what I did was I flex sealed and then used a special epoxy over it. It was by Gorilla. I think it was called Seal and Patch or something like that. Seal and patched it. Then I put fiberglass down over all the panels that were bad, which weren't too many. It was just mainly small areas, like a panel like this. Now it's hard as a rock, and I shouldn't have to worry about it. My biggest thing was I didn't want to take off all the siding to get and replace all of the drywall. Not drywall, I'm sorry, all the plywood that was bad, or particle board in this case. So this is what I'm starting off with. I already ran all the speaker wire, 7 speakers in here. They're all going to be prefabbed inside the wall. No more messing around with wire all over the place. It's going to be really nice when I'm done. It's going to take a hot minute. We're also having a door installed over here. What did I get myself into? Now, honestly, though, like, this garage is going to actually be nice. It's not going to smell like mold anymore. And now I'm going to put the first little section of insulation up. And we're going to go from there. Hopefully I have enough video memory to record it. But let's get a time lapse going so I can actually record it. Diesel Dan Peters signing out for now.